pretty northwest right now. Woke up and it was sunny. Snow melted off, and now it's
literally went in like a half an hour.
now it's on its way back. The weather totally changed. So. Yeah, that's too deep. Nice shot. All right, we're heading out west. We're gonna go up into the mountains, get in and do a little snow camping, bring in the cameraman with me. And Michael's up ahead. Yeah, just working our way west. Got a little highway driving to handle first, and running around the lake now, but it should be fun. Most of my favorite navigating just comes off of maps and atlases, stuff like that, but GPS has its place too. Yeah, let's check that creek out.
Never seen this gravel pit or any of this.
Want to head down here to the left?
Yeah, it looks like a little camping spot. We can go take a look at it. I gotta put mine in four-wheel drive. There's a deep river gorge over to the left of us there.
Yeah, some of these canyons are gnarly. This area got hit with wind pretty bad too. There's so much windfall.
It looks like somebody came through and cut it out already. That's a good sign.
So we've had some pretty bad windstorms this winter. That's what brought all of these alders down. A little bit of a washout repair here. Gaining elevation pretty quickly through here right now. We got tire chains in here and a shovel as always. These trucks usually handle the snow pretty well. It's just really steep back here. That's wild. So right at sea level supposed to get snow, so we'll probably get a pretty hefty dump up here. It's already starting to stack up. What do you think about that sled run? Just hit a like a good-sized boulder under the snow on my left front tire. I was watching for those. A lot of these hillsides out here are sloughing off and big rocks fall. It's just hard to see them with the snow covering them now. It's supposed to snow for the next 6 hours, and the trouble is if we drop down the back of this hillside into this ravine and it snows too much, we might not be able to get up and over this in the morning. So that's something we're kind of trying to figure out right now. We might be smarter to camp back at the crest. It's Sawzall, man.
Yeah, you know, it's questionable. We're probably biting us in the butt bringing this sometimes, but...
Well, it doesn't have bar oil. It's going to leak out all over everywhere.
Yeah, well, I got to take my chainsaw apart, modify it, and make a little bit of handle so it'll clear. It's about an inch too wide.
Clearing some trail. All right, it's starting to get a little narrower up here. We got a drift to pop over. These are
Yeah,
the tall,
that's like to the top of your boot almost.
these are the tall rubber boots. Whatever brand. They don't give it to me for free, you know. Yeah, it's starting to get deep right here. All right, Michael's gonna try to bust through this before I try it. It's really getting windy. Well,
So much for that.
yeah, that's too deep. Well, I'm glad you were breaking ground there.
Yeah.
I'll lock my diff. We're gonna try to pull him out. All right, so Michael's gonna pull a shackle off the front of his truck. Everything's great working on it when it's cold, huh? Good, got it.
Nice to have these.
All right, with it dumping as bad as it is, I think we're gonna head back down. I'm ready for dinner and a little bit lower elevation. This zone's getting pretty grown over up here. Michael's getting through something here that was kind of deep. Getting the heater fired up. It's cold out here. Hot dogs. I'll have yours cooked up in a minute, okay? I'll cook a dog for you, dude.
You sure? No,
Yeah.
man.
We have plenty.
All right.
So I'm cooking this hot dog, and there's big clumps of snow falling off the trees. A big one fell into Michael's solo stove. It's a little miserable out here, but it's warm in the camper. That's nice. And it felt good just getting the fire started. But we've been driving around for hours on these dirt roads, and we feel good to have a beer, make a hot dog, and go to sleep pretty soon. Here you go, hot dog guy. Michael's dog's cooked. I'm gonna go do the delivery. Hey man, did you order a hot dog?
Oh, yeah. Thank you, man.
Oh dude, look at that. You got the wide toilet paper. Those are the good ones, man. Taking care of business. Just in case things go wrong, you know? Hear those big snow clumps hitting the roof? It's like raining and snowing. But at least we're here, we're cozy, warm, we're gonna sleep good tonight. How'd you sleep?
Good. Snow melted a little bit.
Yeah, warmed up a little. Hey man, you gotta have an outdoor kitchen.
Yeah.
Like, it's the best. It's pretty northwest right now. Woke up and it was sunny, snow melted off, and now it's
Literally went in like a half an hour to this.
now it's on its way back. The weather totally changed, so it's all right. I know one guy that's staying cozy. He's not even gotten out of the camper yet. Is this your lounge out?
Look at your hot dog. Your hot dog's like turned into like Scorchville right there.
Oh, it doesn't look too bad. Hey man, a breakfast dog can look like that. That one's for Oven, mine looked even worse. Lovely weather we're having, huh?
That's pretty good.
Do some BB gunning. All right, so the trick is to try to make that can go back up onto here by shooting it. You think you can do that? Nice shot. Hey man, let's set this thing up and I want you to go like back far, because that was a good shot, but I want you to go like way back. Yeah man, keep going. Yeah, this is pretty good.
I think if I get up on a stump, I might be able to see the can.
Because it's like out behind those two trees right there and kind of to the side where the trucks are. Dude, this is gonna be a tough one, man. It's way out there.
Well, I'm up high enough I can barely see it. I gotta shoot through some brush, but I think I can get it.
Okay.
Got it.
Nice. That's probably one of the longest shots I've seen with the Red Ryder recently.
The trick is, you gotta aim like an inch higher than the can from back there to compensate for the arc.
Dude, that's pretty good.
It's cold and wet, kind of gnarly. Still nice to be out camping. Did you have fun? Thanks for watching.